Hi, this is Owen at 38 degrees, TED Digital Showers, here with our Cuba shower system. I'm just going to show you the cleaning procedure, which is a program that's quickly alternates between hot and cold flows, which the intention is that if there's any debris that's stopping the valves working correctly, that this would then dislodge it and allow restoration of correct operation. So the way it works on the control panel, you've got the flow controls in the center. So a continuous press of the lower flow rate control. It's a firm press needed until you get pulsating display. So that's hot only, cold only, hot only, cold only, etc. And that's now finished. We've got a steady display back to the red.